Hello, in this video I want to show you how to share access to DREAME L20 ULTRA with family members or friends. To do this, first we'll need to click on Go to Device inside the robot app. Click on three dots in the top right corner of the screen, scroll down and find Device Sharing. Now click on it, and here you'll be able to enter mobile number, email address or DREAME ID of a person that you want to share this device with. Before that, also I recommend that the person you're sharing the robot with has the app downloaded and also preferably account created for the DREAME robot as well. After that, the sharing process should be much easier. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.